What's the meaning of contortion? Contortion. Contortion.
Contortion. Contortion. Contortion refers to the act of bending, twisting, or distorting one's body into unusual and unnatural positions. This can be achieved through rigorous training and exceptional flexibility of the joints and muscles. The end result of contortion is a visually stunning display of physical prowess and artistic expression. Contortionists often perform in circus acts or on stage, demonstrating their ability to contort their bodies in seemingly impossible ways. The practice of contortion has a long and rich history, with roots in ancient cultures and traditions from around the world.